Today we're going to be installing a front header deck bed rail on this 3rd gen Tacoma and 2 Loball Track mounts from RockyMount. First we're going to take a Torx bolt, slide a split washer on, and then followed by a flat washer. Now insert it through the body of the mount, and then begin to thread the track plate. Repeat this on both sides. Now take the track plates and slide them onto the deck rail. Use the provided Torx key to tighten down the bolts. Now slide the skewer through the body and tighten it down. If you bought a second mount, repeat these steps to install. There are 5 T30 Torx head bolts that need to be removed from the front of the bed. These 5 bolts will be reused when installing the deck rail. Install is made much easier with a second pair of hands or some clamps. Line the 5 holes on the deck rail up with the 5 existing holes in the bed. Now reinstall the 5 T30 Torx head bolts. If your mounts get in the way, just loosen them up a little bit and slide them over to the side. This is a relatively straightforward and easy install, but if you do have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, and thank you for tuning in.